Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to do some crafts, but I do not want to spend any money, and I want to use these crafts out on my balcony to, enhance my balcony. So I dumpster dive these. I didn't dive into the dumpster, but they were sitting by the side of the dumpster. So I want to create some decorations for my balcony, and I don't want to spend any money. Of course not. So what I did is I went out in search of something, and I actually found something really good. I'll show you what I found. I found some climbing ice plant, and these will be pretty. And if they sprout, I will, I will plant them. So I just what I want to do is cut off anything that looks dead. I don't want to damage the plant too much because I want it to grow. So I'll go down here. So and they have some pretty little flowers on them. So this is good. So be pretty. This will be pretty good. So you guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money to decorate your yard or your table. These wouldn't be so good in my house because, they might harbor bugs, insects. If they harbor insects outside, that is fine because they'll have plenty of company on my balcony. So another thing, how this started was I wanted to give my niece a party, and I wanted to have some flowers, but of course, and I wanted it to be pretty, but of course, I didn't want to spend much money, right? So I went out and I got some plants out and around, some flowers, and I think it was my niece arranged them. Yeah, it was my niece arranged them. She really hated it, but I thought it was really cute. But, and then, we had some arrangements that were pretty. So these are some kind of climbing ice plant. And so if these sprout, and they probably will, we will take them and we will plant them at my son's after they sprout. If he wants them. He probably will, because look how pretty these are. So you guys, I want to encourage you to, be creative. Don't spend money. Forget that. I mean, you can if you want, but I don't think it's necessary at all. See, these are pretty. I always try to find buds if I possibly can. I see a bug, of course. This is why I don't really want to keep this in the house. But it's perfect for my balcony. And you go, well, that is an awful arrangement. Well, this will look pretty on my balcony. So, one of the things you really kind of want to do is abandon perfectionism to the point that, you're not getting anywhere. So now, at the old place I used to live, I did a similar thing like this. After the video is over, I'll arrange the plants a little bit better. And if you were following me for my 5 years, or it was longer, it was 2012, I think. So this will be okay because I will change the water every day and see if I can sprout these ice plants. So on my old balcony, what I did was I used blue to go with my seashells and stuff. But since these flowers are a little bit pink, see how pretty this is? I will add a couple drops of food coloring. I mean, it's not going to hurt the water, 1 or 2 drops. And if it does, that's okay. You know, my plants will die, but they will look pretty on my balcony until, you know, they're function. If they die, it's okay. Please don't die. I didn't mean that. It wasn't funny. So this is red, and so if I add it, it should turn my water, by my calculations, yes. My correct calculations. See how pretty, you guys? Let me show you. This will look very pretty. Actually, it looks pretty here, but no, this is for outside. So that is craft number 1. And I can afford to mistreat my vase a little because I dumpster dived it. Okay, now I want to make like a terrarium. If you guys remember, so this is a pretty decent vase of some sort I got for free. So, okay, I want to create a terrarium. And so I will use my bird of paradise. Oh, that's good. So you guys may have noticed I saved my potting soil. This is why a true pack rat can never change. Well, you know, what if I had trashed my potting soil? Then I couldn't make my terrarium. Well, I could buy some, but you know, I will actually plant something in this soil. You know what's really weird is I had this potting soil, you know, from failed plants, and some seeds actually, you know, I reused it, and some failing seeds actually, I'm not so sure about the quality of this dirt anyway, but for this is good enough, you know. So now what you want to do is you want to like use your creative license, and you want to create a little terrarium type thing. You know, remember when I was doing the alien stuff? Oh, you guys, I got my B- rating back. That pisses me off when they go, you are a C+ channel. What? I am not a C+ anything. I am at least a B-. Oh, if any of you have channels, to get a B- rating, you got to get 100,000 views per month. So if you're just getting started, don't despair. It takes a while. And another thing is they can just take away your subscribers if you piss them off, so don't do that. So I want to encourage you guys to be crafty. I mean, you know, find kids. You know what? I think some of the craziest cheap crafts ever. This was a failed zucchini plant. My balcony is a good habitat for bug-eating insects. So this is good. My bird of paradise cost me nothing because I dug it up one day when I was outside walking. And it's growing good. I don't really want to disrupt my plants, you know, for my habitat because, you know, it's taken me a while to grow them. So let's see. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Now, I found a pine cone. So you might be thinking, Rhoda, you know, a pine cone's stupid. Yeah, that's true, but, you know, I kind of liked it, so I wanted to put it in. And then I have some plants. I dug these up somewhere. This is a cute plant. I'll put this one towards the front. That's cute. And then I have, this is a little aloe vera that sprung up. So see my terrarium is looking kind of super cute. I could make just the front and not put any plants in the back. I could, but since I have plenty of plants, You know, I might as well take advantage of them, and then I can keep them. Oops, this one's too low. I can keep them out on my that's the one thing about crafts. They are a bit of a mess. But hey, you know, I think kids could do this and make super cute stuff. So now what? Well, now I think this is the front. Now I have my decorative rocks, which I really hate if anybody handles them. And it's a natural desire to handle them. So, you know, I'll put my fossils. I think I want my fossil here. So you gotta use your creative license, you guys. These fossils are old. When I was going to the swap meet, see how pretty, you guys? Look at that. Okay, now I talk to my plants and I say, okay, you guys, look pretty. So I want to encourage you guys to be looking for curbside stuff. They like it when I'm out there with them at night. Tomorrow is the peak of the heat, yes. That's okay, I am prepared. I have ice in the freezer. I saw they had nice big ice chests. Let's see if you can see that. I heard they had great big ice chests at, this is going to be the front here. That's pretty cute. And then let me show you the other one. Ay, ay, ay. That bird of paradise is sharp. Okay, can you see my crafts? Okay, you guys, you can do this. Be crafty. So on Mars, this got me in a lot of trouble. On Mars, they have indoor habitats because you can't be outside. Here, we have outdoor habitats because we're sick of being inside. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.